If you want to improve your credit score so that you can qualify for the best credit cards, mortgage, auto, or even business loan, make sure you avoid doing these 5 things at all cost. As a bonus, at the end of the video, we will share a checklist to help you repair your credit if you have any negative remarks hurting your score. Here are the 5 things to avoid. 1. Carrying a big balance on your credit cards. While having a lot of debt is never a good idea, using more than 30% of the available credit on your credit cards hurts your credit score. For example, if your credit limit is $10,000, your score drops if your balance is over $3,000. This is commonly referred to as the utilization ratio. Keep yours under 30%. 2. Late payments. Paying late is a huge factor in your credit score. Experts estimate that 35% of your credit score is determined by your payment history. Any late payments will lower your score. 3. Closing old or unused credit cards. Closing credit cards is a credit score killer. This is related to your utilization ratio. By closing a credit card, you lower the amount of credit that's available to you. Your credit score is also sensitive to the length of your credit history, so it is a good thing to have old credit cards in your credit report. 4. Defaulting on loans. Defaulting is an obvious credit score mistake. When you fail to pay back a loan you owe to a lender, you can lose as much as 100 points from your credit score. Make every effort to pay back your loans. If you're struggling, contact the lender and attempt to make other arrangements. They can be very flexible if failing to do so means not getting their payments. Make sure you negotiate for the lender to remove the negative account from your credit report, otherwise it will still hurt your credit score. 5. Applying for too much credit. Everyone needs to have some credit, but applying for too much has a negative effect on your score. Each time you apply for more credit, your potential lender makes an inquiry of your credit history. Each of those inquiries lowers your credit score. Avoid sending in every credit card offer that shows up in your mailbox. By simply avoiding these common mistakes, you can't help but have a great score that will guarantee you the lowest interest rates, even if your credit score is poor now. It may take time to boost your credit score, but it's definitely possible. Give your credit score the amount of attention it deserves. It is totally worth it. Was this video helpful to you? If yes, you need to check out our free step-by-step checklist that will help you remove negative items from your credit report and give you a quick boost in your credit score. Go to CreditRepairBase.com today to claim your free powerful credit boosting checklist or click on the link in the description. Thanks for watching.